With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this problem, we have given a particle having a charge of 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb is placed directly below and at a separation of 10 centimeter from the bob of simple pendulum at rest. The mass of bob is 100 gram. What charge should the bob be given so that the string becomes loose? So if the string becomes loose, that means tension in the string should be equals to 0. So consider this is the bob of pendulum which is at rest, and consider if we give q charge, then tension T in this string should be 0, and there is a particle of having charge q which is 10 centimeter below it. So and the mass of bob is given, so the net force, gravity force, is in downward direction, and electrostatic force due to this charge will be in upward direction. So if for tension T to 0, the gravity force should be equals to electrostatic force. So m into g will be equals to kqq upon this distance square. 10 centimeter means 0.1 square. So mass is given 100 gram. 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. G is 9.81. K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Capital Q is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Small q we have to calculate upon 0.1 square. So after calculation we will find the value of q will be 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. This is the answer of this problem. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.